Hello, welcome to Ground Zero Landscape and Construction. My name's Chad and I'm going to be giving a tutorial today on a Windows PC desktop on how to submit a warranty request through our company through the client resources section of the website. So if you bear with me a couple minutes, we'll get through this. First, you're just going to go to the Google search bar. You're going to type in www.groundzero, L as in landscape, C as in construction.com, not to be confused with LLC. This is going to take you to our homepage. Now, you follow along on the screen, you can see my yellow cursor, and we're going to move right across the top over here to Client Resources. At Client Resources, you're going to go down and you are going to click on, let's just say the first one, you want a warranty. So we're going to go here. It's going to ask you for a password. This is a secure part of the website that not everybody is allowed access to, only our valuable clients, which is you. There, you're going to put in the password, you're going to log in. This will be your warranty stuff. So it talks about material workmanship, sod, plants, what will void that, warranty limitations. But it also talks about the 3 warranty trips for non-emergency cosmetic and non-critical warranty issues. The first one can be scheduled after 30 days, then again after 11 months, and then the final one at 23 months is the way we recommend doing it. If you want to use them all in the first month, that's fine too. And then you have to on here, please. Anyways, you click here by processing warranty request. It's going to take you right to the online warranty submittal. Put your name, your phone number, email, all of that stuff right here, and you fill it out. Just read this. It says if it's not our fault or something isn't wrong, we could charge a $95 service fee to cover our truck wear and tear and time. So you can read all this. That's the way you submit a warranty. Also, your manufacturer's warranties can be found on here. Synthetic grass, Excel surfaces, Hunter, whatever it is, and there's going to be more coming, so if you don't see yours, don't panic. They will be on here. I'm going to take you to BellGuard real quick, and you go to BellGuard, you click on that one, register your warranty, you click right here, this big yellow tab. You click on that, it's going to take you right here to this. You fill it out, boom, your BellGuard is now limited lifetime warranty on some of that stuff. So it's very important that you fill these things out. Again, folks, we are enjoying your new yard.